Welcome back to the Recipe Vault. Today I have a really interesting recipe. I pulled this out of our handwritten recipe collection and it says Uncle Wim's Butter Cookies. And after reading through the recipe, this looks like Danish butter cookies to me. You know those cookies that you get in the round tin around Christmas time, right? We're going to make some homemade versions of that. Danish butter cookies. Welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. So how do I know exactly that these are Danish butter cookies? I'm thinking they are because it has a boatload of butter, like a pound, right? It's made out of half powdered sugar, half regular sugar. There's no eggs. I'm thinking this might be Danish butter cookies. We'll see how it comes out. So you can either like pipe these into that little shape like this, or you could just make them round and put a fork in them, sort of like peanut butter cookies. But I'm thinking this is going to make a lot because it calls for 4 cups of flour and a whole pound of butter. It's not going to be for lack of butter flavor, is it? So today we're using a 7.4 quart Zacme, and I have the optional scraper paddle on here. So we're going to start creaming this butter. Needs to be very, very, very soft. It uses 2 varies. So I'm going to put my little beater blade pouring chute on here. Then we're going in with some sugar. Granulated and powdered. And we're going to let that cream. Whoa! That's a beauty right there. That is what a stand mixer should do. Wow.
I think that blade helps a lot.
Yeah. It looks amazing. Whoa. So let me go ahead and start this baby up. This mixer, very quiet, very, look at that. Beautiful creaming, holy moly.
Well, yeah, because I want my cookies to be light and fluffy.
Wow. Whoa, I mean, it's only been seconds and we have beautiful light and fluffy butter.
Nice and pale looking.
That's as fast as I've ever seen it happen. Let me tell you, of every mixer I've ever used.
How's the bowl look? Is it scraping it pretty good for you?
Mm-hmm. It's very nice. Very nice. So we're going to put some vanilla in here, some salt in here, and believe it or not, we're going in with the flour.
You said there's no leavening in this?
No leveling. Leavening. Leveling. Leavening.
Leavening. All right, go slow, boo-boo, you're getting the powder. One more.
Whoa. That right there makes my heart sing.
Mm-hmm.
You make my heart sing. Just gonna knock it down on the edge here. So let me grab a piping bag and a tip and some sheet pans, and let's see if I could actually pipe this. I don't know. Maybe I will be able to. We'll see. So I am using an Adecco 846 because that's what I have. I have a whole set of them, but I can't find them. So this is what we're getting. It's a closed starred tip. This one is like, I think like a French style. This one here is like a close. The ends are pointed in versus out. Can I pipe this? It's awfully dry to think I can pipe it. I'm being brave here. What the heck? If it doesn't pipe, I'll just take it out, smash it up, and make it into a ball, right? Mm-hmm. Whoa.
It doesn't look like it wants to come out the tip.
It's my hairy idea. I can't squeeze it. Wow, will you guys be upset if I just do them round?
So what's the matter? Is it just clogged, do you think?
Yeah, I can't. I'm not strong enough to squeeze it.
Do you want me to try?
That's okay.
All right.
Okay, this is how the recipe says to do it. So, we will do it like that. We're going to be rolling them into balls and punching them like a peanut butter cookie. This is a yellow disher.
They don't put a number on it, do they?
They do, but I think it's a 20. And we will roll these into a ball, a little crumbly. So we're just going to press them sort of like a peanut butter cookie, but I think they only do it one way. Is that true? Whoop, I got to re-roll that one. Good enough. So I'm going to do this other sheet pan. We're going to bake these at 350 for like 10 minutes. So I'll be back. So cheers, everyone. Got some hot tea. Very hot tea. And we have some Danish butter cookies. Look at these. They look amazing. So every year I buy these Danish butter cookies out of the can, right? But these are fresh and homemade. No, I didn't get to pipe them like I wanted to. I think Eric took a little sample, and he said he would add a little bit more vanilla. But We're going to give us official taste test.
I don't know, Bertie. You had a little sample, I heard. What do you think?
And here's my cookie. So they are soft and crispy on the outside and chewy on the inside. They're so good. They're so good. Definitely buttery flavor. What do you think, Will?
Like you said, I think when you bite into the middle, it's definitely soft, but on the edges, it is on crunchy side. I did have to bake these a little longer than the recipe called for. They called for 10 minutes. I cooked them until I could see a slight brown on the bottom. You see how we have that?
Part of it is, I think I may have made them bigger than, you know, how the recipe called for, because they didn't say the size.
No.
And the ones I made are pretty big.
These are big, so they took closer to 15. If you make them small, 10 might work.
These are really good. I don't need to buy them from the can or the tin anymore. I'll just make some. So thanks for joining me. These are delicious. It's November now, so we're heading into Thanksgiving. Buckle up, cooks. This is our time. Thanks for joining me.